Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to install the Flightily app on a device. Now if you want to track the live flight from your device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the way end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to do so, you need to simply open App Store on a device, and if you are using Android, then you need to open the Play Store app on the device. So currently I'm using iPhone, so I'll open App Store on my device. But before that, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to it, then you won't be able to install it on a device. So after that, you need to simply click on the search button at the very bottom right, and from here you need to simply search the Flightily app. So after searching the Flightily app, you will see the option of Flightily live flight tracker. So here you will see the option of get, which is highlighted on blue, so click on the option of it, and from here, if you are installing it for the first time, then it asks you to double tap on your iPhone. So click on the power button twice to install it, and after doing all of it, you will be able to install the Flightily live tracker app on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.